Hey there everyone, how's it going? I'm Tharun and I'm back again with another video, cool tutorial in this HTML series. So in this video, we're going to talk about TextArea and some other attributes. Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get right in the tutorial. So what do we start with? Let's start with the TextArea. Okay, so what is TextArea? TextArea is nothing but, you would have seen those big text boxes where they tell like give your feedback and things like that, which requires long paragraphs of things. That is TextArea. So how do you mention the TextArea? You give TextArea and the name equals to say comments or something, whatever you want. But names are like very important for any type of input tags you use. Okay, name and rows, number of rows, that is rows equals to 10, and you mention the calls equals to 30, right? And you come here, save, put aside. Look, you have the TextArea and you'll be able to resize it like that and all. Okay, there are ways to prevent it from resizing. If you want to know about them, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Otherwise, we'll be talking about it in a few more upcoming videos. Okay, so that is it. Okay, about the TextArea, sorry. And what if I had some inbuilt text here? Sorry, save it. So that will show up inside. Okay, you can just type it there, type anything inside there, and you can hit submit like a regular box, a regular text. This thing, TextArea. Okay, so we have the break there. The next line. Okay, so now what I would like to show you is about Datalists. Datalists are nothing but they have these input boxes, and once you start typing, they give you these suggestions. Okay, but the suggestions here, what I'm going to show, are hard coded. You could make them dynamic, and you could also fetch them from databases. Okay, but for now, we're going to study about this hard coded thing. So I just have the code. Let me just paste it in so that you could quickly glance through it. I could explain you. So in the first line we have is input list equals to browser. That is, you mention here what is the list about. Okay, so you have to mention some list there, some meaningful semantic name. So input list equals to browser. In the next line we give the data list, okay, which has the ID of this one. Okay, just use the same name. Okay, ID equals to browser. Okay, option and the values. Okay, what are the different values you are expecting? So you have the data list, the input, this thing. Okay, so let's just check it out. Now what do we have? We have an Internet Explorer, Firefox and all. If you start typing internet, it's going to give you this suggestion. You could just click on it and it will just fill it up there. So that is the data list. Okay, so I think pretty much we'll wrap this video up with this. In the next video, we're going to talk about the different other input types. Okay, it's going to be exciting, and it was fun being with you guys. So see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye from Tharun.